Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today, whether virtually or here in person. We are outside, very windy day, but we are outside here at Roanoke County's Green Ridge Recreation Center, and we did choose this location simply because we have ample room for social distancing, and that's very important to us. And those with us today were given face masks as well. So we want to thank everyone for adhering to these safe preventive measures. Following the board chairman's remarks today, rather than opening it up for Q&A, we'll just invite our media partners to do some one-on-one interviews. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to our board chairman.
Hey, thank you, Amy. Hello, I'm David Radford, Chairman of the Roanoke County Board of Supervisors. Also joining me are my fellow board members, and I'd like to take a moment to introduce them. Our Vice Chair, Phil North, representing the Hollins District, Martha Hooker from the Catawba District, and we've got Jason Peters representing Vinton District, and then our newest board member from the Cave Spring District, Mr. Mahoney, Paul Mahoney. Thank you all guys for coming here. Together, the five of us bring different talents and expertise to this board that help oversee and advise the administration of Roanoke County. So we stand here today to advocate for our businesses community by urging Governor Northam to consider a regional approach to reopening the Virginia economy. The effects of the COVID-19 pandemic have deeply impacted our citizens and businesses, and we must speak up about this. Today, we are sending a letter of unanimous support to the governor outlining our request. First, our small businesses are disproportionately affected by the executive order number 53. We are receiving emails. When I say we, me and our other board members, we're receiving emails, personal requests from business owners to be their voice for reasonableness, safety, and a continuation of their livelihood. The unemployment claims have jumped to a staggering 15% for our region. This trend cannot continue indefinitely without inflicting irreparable harm to our community and our citizens. We have all felt the sustainable toll this pandemic has had on our lives. Secondly, our businesses are eager to open, and our citizens want to get back to work so they can provide for themselves and their families. Our community has been demonstrating over the last 7 weeks, and I have seen this personally, firsthand, social distancing, meeting in small groups of 10 or less, and wearing face masks to help slow the spread of coronavirus and flatten the curve. We are fortunate to say that our medical providers are not overrun by COVID-19 cases. These preventive measures are making a difference, and we must all continue to practice them. So we're asking the governor, let us trust our citizens to reopen in a safe and sanitary manner. They can follow the same guidelines that our essential businesses have been following. Our region is resilient, and it can conduct business safely. And finally, it is clear that there is a lower health risk in Southwest Virginia compared to other parts of the state. This is why a one-size-fits-all method is not needed throughout the state. We urge the governor to measure our region differently and give us the opportunity to reopen under careful, controlled conditions. We seek the advice and approval of the health experts, but ask the governor to give us the options for ingenuity, experimentation, and adaptability. We're calling on the governor to hear our request and act now. We would like to provide the opportunity for our region to reopen so that our citizens and our businesses can begin to safely transition back to a normal state of activity. This must be sooner, not later. I trust that everyone will stay safe, and I pray for good health for all. Thank you today for taking time listening to us. That's all the comments we'll have.